Hello future CAs, welcome back to my channel where I simplify your CA journey one step at a time. So with just 35 days left for the January 2025 CA Foundation exams, it's time to get laser focused on your preparation. Whether you are just starting or revising, this 35-day smart study planner is designed to help you cover the entire syllabus strategically without feeling overwhelmed. So stay tuned because I'll also share tips to maximize your productivity, handle multiple subjects, and keep your stress in check during this crunch time. So let's get started. So guys, if you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post any new videos. So before starting this study plan, here are some key points. So already I have told these points in the other videos as well, but I am going to reiterate this again. In case anyone is watching my video for the first time, they can go through these points as well. So practice all the illustrations and go through all the case studies from the ICI study material, revision test paper, mock test paper and previous year papers as well. These are very important. And practice MCQ for business economics and quantitative aptitude from the MCQ portal. So when you log in into the BOS knowledge portal, you can see the MCQ portal there. So you can log in there and practice MCQ. And for the purpose of revision, the ICA has launched Saransh, wherein the entire subject has been given in summary form. You can use this for revision purpose. This is available on the BOS knowledge portal. Also, do not do selective study. Study all the chapters in the syllabus. So let's have a look at the study plan now. So since only 35 days are left, in order to complete the entire syllabus, you will have to study at least 10 hours to 12 hours of productive study every day. So here we have 4 study slots of 3 hours each. So slot number 1 starting from 6 am to 9 am. Slot number 2 from 9:30 am to 12:30 pm. Slot number 3 from 2 pm to 5 pm. And slot number 4 from 5:30 pm to 8:30 pm. So as we go ahead in this video, I request you all to pause the video at relevant places and note down this study plan. So this study plan is starting from 8th December 2024. So previously I had also made a video of 48 days study plan, and for that video I got some queries as to how can we effectively study for the last 30 days. So I decided to make this video. So from 8th December to 11th December, that is the first 4 days, here you will be studying business economics and accounting. So basically we are trying to aim one theory subject and one practical subject. And same way this accounting subject is your descriptive type and business economics is your MCQ subject. So in this we have grouped these two subjects together and you will be studying business economics in the slot number 1 and slot number 4 and you will be studying accounting in slot 2 and slot 3. So first 4 days you will be studying these two subjects. Now coming to the next 4 days, that is from 12th December to 15th December. Here you will be studying business laws and quantitative aptitude. So same way, business law is a theory subject and quantitative aptitude is a practical subject. and quantitative aptitude is a MCQ based subject, and business law is your descriptive type. So here you will be studying business laws in slot 1 and slot 4, and quantitative aptitude you will be studying in slot number 2 and slot number 3. You can customize the plan and you can interchange the slot as per your needs. And you can also change the timing of the study plan. Like if you like to study late at night and you want to get up late in the morning, you can do accordingly. But the final aim should be to study at least 10 to 12 hours per day, as only few days are remaining for the exam. I hope you all are noting down this plan. Now let's look at the next 4 days. So from 16 December to 19 December, here again you will be studying business economics and accounting. 2 slots for business economics and 2 slots for accounting. Similarly, like you did in the first 4 days. Now the next 4 days of your plan. From 20th December to 23rd December, here again you will study business laws and quantitative aptitude, 2 slots each. So from 8th December to 23rd December, that is the first 16 days of your study plan, here you will be studying the chapters for all the subjects with highest weightage. So the strategy is to first complete the chapter with highest weightage and then to study the other remaining chapters. So previously I had made a video in which I have explained in detail the order in which you should be studying for each of the subject. And I have also explained the section wise weightages as well. I will add that video in the end screen of this video. You can go there and watch that and plan your studies accordingly. So the ideal aim is by 23rd December you should complete the chapters with highest weightage for all the subjects. So this is the part 1 of your study plan. Now let's have a look at the next part of the plan. So now coming to the next part of the plan. On 24 December 2024, here in the first and the second study slot, you will revise accounting. And in the third study slot, you will attempt mock test paper 1. So basically the mock test paper I have given third study slot, that is 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. since this is same as the exam time. And after attempting the mock test paper in the fourth slot, that is 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. here you will analyze the mock test paper. You will analyze your answer as to where you went wrong and how you can improve on your presentation skills to improve your scores in the exam. Previously, I had made a detailed video in which I have explained about the points to be kept in mind while attempting mock test paper. So I will add that video also to the end screen. You can watch it from there. So before attempting the mock test paper, you can go through the video and then you can attempt the mock test papers. Similarly, on 25th December, first slot and the second slot you will be revising business laws. And in slot 3 you will attempt mock test paper 1 for business laws. And in the evening slot you will analyze your answer sheet as to what went wrong. On 26th December you will revise quantitative aptitude in slot number 1 and slot number 2. And you will attempt mock test paper in slot 3 and you will analyze your mock test paper answers in slot number 4. Similarly, on 27 December, In slot 1 and slot 2, you will revise business economics. And in slot 3, you will attempt mock test paper 1 for business economics. And in slot 4, you will analyze your answers for the mock test paper of business economics. So this is the second part of your study plan. Now going ahead with the third part. So in the third part of your study plan, you will be studying the other chapters. Since already you would have completed the chapters with highest weightage, now the remaining chapters you will cover here. So on 28 December and 29 December, you will be studying the remaining chapters for accounting and business economics. Again 2 slots per subject. On 30th December and 31st December, you will be studying business laws and quantitative aptitude. You will be allocating 2 slots for each subject. Then on 1st January and 2nd January, you will continue with business economics and accounting. On 3rd January and 4th January, you will study business laws and quantitative aptitude. I hope you all have noted down the plan till here. So let's move ahead with the next part of the plan. So from 5th January to 8th January, the next 4 days, here you will be attempting the mock test paper 2. So similarly like mock test paper 1, in slot 1 and slot 2 you will be revising the subject, and slot 3 you will attempt the mock test paper, and in slot 4 you will analyze your answers of the mock test paper. So from 5th Jan to 8th Jan I have kept 4 days for each of the subjects. Now coming to last part of this study plan. So your exams are starting from 12th January. So the last 3 days, here you will start revising for paper 1 accounting. So it is better to start studying early for the first subject, as it will increase your confidence and it will also build momentum for the other exams as well. So that's it guys. Your 35-day study plan is ready. I hope this plan gave you an idea about how to cover your studies in the next 35 days. Remember, success is all about consistent effort and smart strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your buddies appearing for the CA Foundation exams, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Also, let me know in the comments if you'd like tips on any specific topics or challenges you are facing. Your success is my motivation and I'm here to help you all in every step of the way. All the best for your preparation. See you all in the next video.